On Vinchin Backup and Recovery, the backup of AWS EC2 is also in an agentless way. Just simply configure the user account-related information to connect cloud platform to Vinchin Backup system. For backup features, similar like VM Backup, Vinchin supports full, incremental, and forever incremental backups, Speedkit, advanced data encryption both in transit and at rest, and built-in data reduction tools. For recovery features, Vinchin supports AWS EC2 full instance restore to original account or region or different account or region, instant user-specified file-level restore, and cross-platform migration between AWS EC2 and other virtualizations in an agentless way.